Hey guys, Mark here from Little Kitchen Big Food, and today we are making caramelized banana ice cream. It's described as rich and creamy frozen custard made with caramelized bananas swirled with toffee bits and toffee butter bourbon sauce. Bourbon. Yeah. Let's go make this. You heat butter. 3 bananas, and you slice them into about 1/2-inch pieces. Once the butter is sizzling, in with the bananas. About a minute later, you sprinkle with your 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Give that a mix. I'm gonna let that go for about a minute or 2. So once you've got them looking like that guy, the next thing you gotta do is turn off your flame. Add 2 tablespoons of bourbon. Turn your flame back on, so you don't burn your face off, and cook them for about another minute. Once your minute's up, cut the flame, and you're gonna put all of these into there, like so. Throw a lid on it, and blend it into a puree. Helps if we plug it in. Let's try again. And scrape that into a bowl and refrigerate. Next step is we have to make, what the fuck are we making? Bourbon brown sugar sauce. So let's go do that. Saucepan over medium heat. 85 grams of unsalted butter. Once you've got that melted, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, tablespoon of bourbon, and a tablespoon of light corn syrup. And 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. And gently stir, occasionally checking the temperature till it gets to 228 degrees. I think you could tell it's almost there by the amount of bubbling that you just saw kind of happen there. And we're calling that done. All right, now we got to make our custard. In goes 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. To that we add 1/2 cup of brown sugar, teaspoon of salt, and 5 egg yolks. And over medium heat, whisk all that together. And while whisking constantly, keeping an eye on the temperature, you do not want this to boil. You just want it to get it steaming hot. So instead of you having to sit there and watch me whisk this until it becomes steaming hot, the power of editing and YouTube magic, that'll be what you see next. Once you've got that done, 2 more things. Your vanilla, in this case this is vanilla bean paste. Give that a stir. The other thing is the banana puree from earlier, right? Drop that banana puree in there, whisk it until it's incorporated as well. Cover it in saran wrap and refrigerate it till it's really, really chilled down. Cook, eat, repeat.